Hi everybody, this is D-Day. This room is ready. We trimmed out the windows and stained them by hand and got all the baseboards in. I stained this little desk. It looks better. There's now a locking doorknob.
Take a look at this.
Hang on, doing a video. Laundry room is still the same. And this is how the kitchen is supposed to look. Here's our breakfast stuff. This video is late because we've just been buried. I mean literally buried with work. Trying to get it ready, and it's still not ready. Our first person is in at 6. They are aware of what's happening, and they're a family friend, so they're gonna check it out and give us a good review, hopefully. And also, this one could be ready, but he has to finish building the shower. So the shower pan is built. The first 2 layers of epoxy are in. The cabinet has to go back up. We've decided to lock our closet because there's a lot of paint and stuff in here that we just need to store in the warmth, so that will have a lock. And we will go see what Brian is hollering about to go look at, and that is the next room that is getting to be finished. Hopefully the walls and the ceiling will be done today. The air gun is hollering right now. I don't want to blow that in your ears. Got a nice toasty fire going. We still have to repair all of this. Not sure if we can get it done by Sunday when the next folks come in who are actually paying. So we're restricting people off of this porch because it's dangerous. I roped it off. Hopefully people just stay away from it. It's just really the hand railing that's a little rickety. The dog run out there. We have the scooper, and I tried to clean it out, and it's just full of little rabbit pellets. And you can't really get those up unless you use a shovel, and I don't have time to use a shovel, so we're just proceeding, and hopefully the doggies don't get too dirty. But here is the room that's coming together great. Brian's been working on the tongue and groove. Okay. This is beautiful. So much better than it was. Gorgeous framed window today. Brian's great. And I have to mount a towel bar. Hopefully I can find it, or towel bars, and also curtain rods. This is for Sunday. We can come back tomorrow and work a little bit, and then Sunday at 3 the next folks come in. And these beds need to be somewhat in order and put together. The bunk bed is missing parts. We can't get them yet. The queen bed mattress will have to come in, and it will all have to be super cleaned up and made ready. Had some cleaning ladies in to help me today. Looks like some of that stuff just doesn't come off. And so it's pretty and sparkly now. I had to pull out tack strips today from this floor. Now we have the boot trays. We have the leaf for the table. We have hangers for everybody. House rule of no shoes in the house. It's hard to enforce in my own home. Hopefully we can make it happen here, because I am also the maid. So here is Brian's cut station. There's a giant pile of sawdust we're gonna have to mix in with the dirt and kind of try to clean it up. And over here, I'm gonna have to try to clean up the front porch if I can. Time is running short. 6 o'clock is when they're expected. Right now it's about almost 4. We're trying to keep people from parking over the septic tank because that would be a disaster. And it looks like a storm is coming up there. You see that? Let's see if I can zoom in. That's what it looks like when it's gonna snow in the mountains. Isn't that gorgeous? It's so beautiful. Over there it's pretty clear. So that is the update. And hope everybody's doing good in these crazy times. Keep on hoping, believing, and praying. That's what I say. Have a good night.